Hello everyone. Some people often complain of persistent neck and back pain, and the reason behind it could very well be their bad body posture. Body posture refers to the different body parts' positions and their alignments, such as the head, shoulder, arms, trunk, and their legs, and whether they are in sync with the environment or not. A lethargic body can never create a positive or cheerful environment because it reflects your emotional states, which may not be in a very best condition. A good body posture is usually a neutral and balanced position. It involves a straight spine, shoulders held back but relaxed, chin parallel to the ground, and feet planted firmly on the ground while standing. Well, maintaining proper body posture is also essential for your overall health because it reduces the risk of injuries and makes you appear more confident. Conversely, if your body posture is misaligned because of your poor habits, it is crucial to correct it as soon as possible. Bad body posture can lead to various issues such as back pain, neck pain, fatigue, and decreased lung capacity. Therefore, pay attention to your body posture and make necessary adjustments where needed to improve it. Try to achieve 90 degrees angle while sitting. Keep your back straight, relax your shoulders, and align your head with your spine, as it shows that you are alert and comfortable in whatever environment you are. For more practical tips like these, do follow us.